What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUNRNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it with a Hollywood night. Cheers, everybody. Tasty. Today, we're doing up some pork belly. We're going to use up some Heath Riles apple rub and some Boar's Night Out double garlic and butter. This is going to be some tasty, tasty pork belly. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. Just 3 simple ingredients for this. Pork belly, Boar's Night Out, White Lightning, double garlic and butter, and Heath Riles apple rub. Now, took it out the packaging, I patted it dry. We're going to leave this whole, like I've said. Going to go ahead and season up the meat side first. This has got a nice little bit of garlic and butter. This is the Boar's Night Out double garlic and butter. Now we're going to hit it up with that Heath Riles apple rub. We're going to flip this over. We're going to start scoring this top side where all the fat is, because we want this to render down some, but we also want to get our seasoning down into the meat. Now we hit it up with that Heath Riles apple. This has got great color, great flavor. Today we're using the Pit Boss Classic. Go ahead, open up your lid, turn it on, turn it to smoke. Today we're using cherry rum pellets for our smoke and flavor. You want that initial white smoke to exit out of the pit. You don't want any of that in your food. It's going to taste nasty. Now that the white smoke is gone, go ahead and shut your lid down. Turn it up to 250 degrees. We're up to temp. We're going to go ahead and put this on now for 5 hours. We're going to spritz it every hour for 5 hours. We're at our first hour mark. Everything's looking real good, smelling real good too. Spritzing it down with some apple juice. There we go. Looking forward to hour number 2. We are 2 hours in. We're looking real good. Bark setting up great. We're looking good, smelling good too. Let's keep this party rolling. We are 3 hours in. Look at that. You look beautiful. Just look at that. Oh yeah. We're 4.5 hours in. We're looking real good. I'm going to go ahead and slather on some of that barbecue sauce I got. Once we hit 5 hours, I'm going to go ahead and pull it. I'm going to slice all of it up, the burn ends, the other half. I'm going to go ahead and leave that whole. We're going to cut this bad boy in half now. Move that half out the way. Just look at that. Nice and pretty. Go ahead, start cubing it up. Now we're going to go ahead and wrap it. We're going to put it back on the smoker now for about an hour. And we've hit an hour on these burn ends. Let's go ahead and pull them now. Let them rest for a minute. And we're going to taste them. That's one mighty fine looking pork belly and burn ends. Let's go on for that taste test. We're just going to taste test the burn ends. We're going to leave the pork belly alone. I'm just going to slice that up and make some bacon out of that. So we're going to leave that alone. Nice and tender. Melt in your mouth. Great flavor from the barbecue sauce. Taste the smoke from the cherry rum pellets. Then you got the Heath Riles apple rub. Just complements it oh so great. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you. Have a good day.